Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of February. The Darn Good Yarn box is a monthly subscription box that you can get that has yarn and then one other item in it. I have the $10 box. There are different tiers. And I do want to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored in any way. I bought this with my own money. They have no idea that I'm doing this video. I just like to unbox these with you guys on camera because I think it's really fun to sort of see what I get. And I like to see how you guys react. And I also like to hear what you guys get if you also get the Darn Good Yarn box. So please feel free to leave me any comments down below. And let's go ahead and open my box up. I really love the color of this box for this month. It is so pretty. This pale purple, definitely a springy color. Ooh, okay. So here is the yarn that I got for this month. Ooh, it's super cute. It's small. A sport weight. And it always comes with a tag, and it'll tell you what tools that you will need for this yarn and sort of about the yarn with the color and everything. Ooh, it's cute. Okay. And for my item, I got another tassel. Ooh, I got a tassel recently, I think a couple boxes ago. So this is another one. Oh, I like this one. I like that it's like the ombre tier. It's cute. 3-layered tassel. Cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with that or where I'm going to put it yet, but it's definitely cute. I'm excited. And then you will always get a booklet. And the booklet will tell you about Darn Good Yarn. And it will tell you about the yarn and the item that you get. And then it will usually have patterns, yes, in the back. So this is a knit pattern for that yarn and then a crochet pattern for that yarn. I always like to look through the booklets to get some inspiration and just read about it, you know. It's very cute. And that is it for my box this month. That is everything that I got. Pretty excited about it. I have never used a sport weight yarn before. I've never really worked with one, so I'm very excited to use that. The tassel, I already have one, so I kind of want to put it near my other tassel. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but we will see. And I will let you guys know. So I'd love to hear some feedback down below from you guys. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos or you want to follow more of my content. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.